obi man so Morocco. Omobano, I no cry the major talking point. The major talking point, almost strike a friend Albert Amoah say there. Ye kase onye Kotoko play a beam, but Johnny Ahly Benghazi awo Libya. Na story ne ba bonteno. In fact, o kind de Kotoko for the buy the individual as a church or the far air story no ho a. Obia sisika sam ne de na undisclosed. Omo kan enye yi because omuni figures no. Initial passports. Yerewrem yakodin komo kakra. Ashe sikapa potia. Benghazi for no e de be fa Branten do no Branten so no enya odin ni nyina no ye di breakdown no at the Branti aya fair breakdown ni man.
Me so say enenkofo bebre a omutie sports no. We na o train.
Sure.
Now this is the breakdown. And this is the full story. There is this agent of Free Egypt, but we are in North Africa. In October, and I was saying, make you.
That is this month here.
October.
October.
Okay. I had MCSC.
In November.
Okay, so yes, this month, around 7th. And I was saying, offer in the Ghanaian contacts. Say Ahly Benghazi for say Omope number 9. Na Omo budgets. The Omo betia club no, the Omo betia player no, and the salary is $2 million.
Libya club as in a budget for one particular player.
One player. The salaries the
Bibiano $2 million.
$2 million. Omo per striker.
Omuni mainstream Europe, Africa, yeah, young.
And there were recommendations to agents, you know. John Entry. So John a good bats. When then Joseph Iso.
That's all.
Yes. So world travel. Or did he say, I say he has played a better part of the career no every. They should give him other options. Rich, and a sad discussion and a deal in the better Albert Amoah and a Kotoko Naso. Now, Yenchum say the discussion in negotiations, no, I course what you
said the lawyer kind,
and they've agreed on Sikasam. But the problem was time by na Kotoko to Albert Amoah.
You know what timing?
Actually, management in the So, Rich, I can tell you emphatically, say, the management took a decision, say, okay, the only conditioner, Ebemi ato Albert Amoah, CCA, to time and Libya for one of my so mo transfer win on the close and say, yebo work. Na yentimi an qualify an ko yenimwa. Sikana ever from the deal no will be too good to reject just because you say any Albert Amoah at Ghana League. Minister, what at management level, rich decision in your sport and inquire. You take financial decisions.
Sure.
If you always scanner air they believe that unless they be a Kotoko, air cost of Africa, where I want a bigger standard. Say Albert Amoah to me book do good things as
$1 million.
Yes. But say Kotoko free Africa there. Na Ebeka
League
in the Africa Cup now. They think it is not worth it rejecting Sasikano just to keep the player and come and win. That is number one. Number two, Rich.
Nhyira FM.
This same Kotoko management had to draw experience from their two during Richmond Lamptey. Lamptey Kobo AFCON no. Eba no.
Clubs in the shots here.
Clubs are so open. Omo Efre Ogum in management meeting. Ogum say Lamte saa time no was Kotoko's best player. It is Omo ntimi njana manenko. Rich. Kotoko inform me Lamte say coach say yes before no. Baby edu season ye ntimi njana manenko. Rich Lamte more too much is in problem. The guy became depressed because it was a proposal from a club in Libya, not Ahly Benghazi. But Sikano no mudi Lamte no. Ano matutu to the ninjas kaketwa. Eti Kotoko prevented Lamte from leaving no. Rich, Abante na nyo papa mo team ni bi. He ran down his contract and went. And they believe say and Nhyira from the Lamte experience they could end up the same thing with Albert Amoah. Already did Albert Amoah or mama nanko. And they told the guys onya bo 3D papa beba. Enti Albert Amoah nangasa no onim say another one body ebe dey somebody be make us on manenko. But who say Albert was agogo no bu ade bebre. Enti he was okay and no namu. Now Rich, so that was the condition. Say Kotoko free African mu dia. Say a league in the FA Cup now. You don't reject this amount of money for the league and the FA Cup.
Enti Kotoko nya saying
Kotoko had to sell after exit from the Confederations Cup. Now Rich, let's start from Albert Amoah.
Onu player no.
Matisse Ngofo say omunti signing on fee for a player under contract. It happens a lot. And your free agent from Kwan signing on fee. There are players under contract. You pay transfer fee to their clubs, and you pay them signing on fee. And it's always on Saturday. Love FM Safudu couldn't come on. No, or say deal no will not only benefit Kotoko, but they also look at the benefit to the player. Rich deal with Albert Amoah is $200,000 as signing on fee. Me say mo bi afa the calculator so or convert it to Ghana cedis. And yes sir. Obi sika de em fa calculator to sir.
Ala we dey imagine pa say nanka Kotoko for ka chen say masa ye ma onko.
Rich.
Me think Brent an ko betimi afin su abudua. $200,000.
And you signing on fee o Rich. Now Albert Amoah signed 2 years. Rich 2 years now was signed. Or you $200,000 in a good year. Every month be for the first year. Libya for it here Albert Amoah $20,000 a month. Now Rich say obona home modern. Now the contract no run the second year anymore. Rich, the salary need increase from $20,000 to $25,000 a month. We just say me obi o Kotoko no team we go say na ka omo fa 5,000 that should go hook me a month. Rich, so that is how much Albert Amoah onunko as a player is getting from the deal. $200,000 signing on fee, $20,000 a month first year, a bit increase to $25,000 a month in the second year. Now, Rich, how much Anna Kotoko making from the deal? Now, passports bet me I say, Rich, Kotoko ain't me maximize the whole $2 million from Libya for no, simply because Albert Amoah CV no. Na emunye du pan say ube pussy negotiation no to the wire. Number one, Libya for no see oh, but see a follow brand here now. He had a splendid season at Olympics. One. And Oba Kotoko about 1 season. The second season one went Albert Amoah
1 season the FA Cup no.
Yes, Oba limelight in Ankasano. A 1 season Olympics, 1 season Kotoko. Onya blasters proper call up that. And the age I think 23. So the Libyan club, you see, they see him say, oh, a lot of potential to explode. But omunti mi man Kotoko, sikap bebe say omu chia Kotoko, Every national team standard money. Because Rich Kotoko wanted around 700,000. The least they wanted to take was around 650. But Libya for say Albert Amoah CV no. Sanko national teams was what. And then kebi wa Africa be one season on. Koni mu miye kakra. And they will be ready to pay that. So they paid Kotoko between $350,000 to $500,000.
Good money. Eh?
And Rich, my main cousin said when good. And I'm saying this because Boba Krawa, he first mentioned it to me, and me investigations, you know, it turned out to be true. Rich, the last time Kotoko management at the budget, I call Nhyira. Because I say Otum for the financing team. It came from Nhyira. I said, hey, na the biya na mo de budget aba na mama muska. The biya na mo de budget aba na mama muska. At the end, I'm also so more yet to raise money for the club. Mo plan ne say. Ya tim ko for radio so say, hey, the na pen money. I am senior and yourself fool. So we run Kotoko and also comment you know Regina they are running there. Look good. And some chop fire no the ice cream. Me simple. So it was incumbent on the Kotoko management to also raise money. Because Rich, since Kotoko started Africa, because of what was said the last time, omuntimi convention ko gisco. Enti eye koba high sense. Sa contract kakra no boy omo contract kakra na Kotoko ni sika no. Nomde. Eno makodi no Africa no. So enka Kotoko to run Kotoko the rest of the season no. Na ebe problem kese e de abakuo no. It Rich $350,000 to $500,000 about. How do they reject it and go to Nhyira? And Nana P grant from our team. Rich Sauko now what is one reject it almost $500,000. Now what say on some most you would have questioned it. Sure. And once they ran the decision by Nhyira Momo go ahead. So why not Samujini say a good enough to run the operations of the club and you still remain competitive there. Mun take our decision, you know, and they took it. So, more time for the details, Rich. These are all the details and the conditions in the situations. Right. Until now, Obi abeti me ajaji.
Time
we just gave information.
China no ye ba ye be wura ye ne league no, and then Black Queens a Mariana issue no. In fact, they made it no. Many sure sports minister kind. I'm not sure. If I say sports minister can say no pam padia, I say China ya yemetena show na president mama pam no. Say o de Mariana ka, Mariana so omukobo women's AFCON. Omu bonuses BSM penny for mutua mo mutuai. E do mu nye training. Na minister betua ka kire man say masa mo mokro amonko. Mr. Unim. I don't think minister e can say no. Say yet radio so on. Go for GD pa. People run with our words. Sure. Enti ye ankasa as Nhyira sports ye nya investigation. Sure. Enti me pese be run with enti na me kasa me pese me je di boso na ato bi team. Okay. Also me tin say recheka e bia the other normal na de se ho no on ka. Enti we believe say a man no e wo issue. Man training. Yes, minister any FA president ko share omo. Enkomo e course wo no. You can trust us. Otina. And game no so your Otina. Tuesday. Otina no pay transfer. Whatever transpired and the latest our Black Queens camp no. Tichina no Ebeka want some league, you know, Hansburg goes about 2-2. Mediama share all Blacks a kaba common team anti nation share miensa 11 wonders at the academy, you know, no a nation's point na almost 2 coaches needing hey Johnson Smith ne Kasim Mengel. Obi Kofi. All right. China need na eba e bidi san komo no. Samata TV omi shemi no United. Entimi ante Kawila shemi no Bechem United. Entimi ante Kano Young Apostles any Chelsea ball 1-1. Ediana TV share dreams dreams ba ko omo entimi ante na Lions. Aso tena fi share Basaka Holy Stars. E kam yensa mo entimi ante amase say league no mediama. ɛna ɛdi kan ne nyinaa no nyame yɛ adom ɔkyena no yɛba ebidi nkɔm nie paa atumi ɛde ama me yɛntwa okitoa bi na yɛmmra yɛba yɛbɛtoa so ɛde ama me hyɛ 104